Belle, move over there.
Okay.
So
Hi. I can't.
So we're kind of doing a duo recording right now.
Duos.
I'm recording for YouTube.
Do you think that this angle is okay, Dad? It's it's only showing a little bit of the background.
Alright, so we're gonna have Belle do the unboxing.
My nails are short. I'm better doing it from the bottom.
I have some scissors over there if you want them. It's the red pair right there.
I got it.
Well,
I got a hole. I got a hole.
She's got it. Are you sure you're okay? You don't need scissors?
See, I'm fine with this.
No, I can't.
And push it out the end so that you don't ruin the poster. I'm gonna take the poster to school.
Alright, hey, you gotta have it over here.
So this is the poster. I don't want to pop it open yet, but it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
This is the player's guide right here.
This is the box.
Let's get to the stuff that the people really want to see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll open it.
Wait, I want to see the rainbows.
Here's the cover.
Ooh.
Alright, this is the inside here.
Okay, how are we gonna divvy up the packs?
So we got to try to get the Eternatus VMAX.
These are the
or
packs.
Yeah, because those look really cool.
Okay. So,
One of each character on each pack.
guys, pick your first pack to open.
I can't do it because my hands aren't free. So.
How about we all take turns opening it? Like one of us holds the camera and whatnot.
I'll take this one.
So, Belle, you open first. Here, do it right in the middle. Here, I'll do an overview.
Oh, don't on TikTok.
Look.
It's got to be. Oh, that's
Okay.
good. All right,
So,
first
you got
pack.
that? 1,
3 to the front.
2, 3, 4 to the front. So the energy pops up. So we have a fire energy, gym trainer, a team yell towel, Luxio, Rowlet, Trampinch, Snom, Grookey,
Ooh.
Spinnerack,
Kyogre,
Cramorant, and V.
All right.
Nice.
Your turn to hold the camera. All right. Remember, don't get anything. Just the cards. So, which pack should I open, Dad?
Go
Point one out.
I just opened that
I don't know
Go
what the
with
names are.
toxicity.
Toxicity.
The audacity. Are we saving these wrappers?
Yes, we are. I want to keep some of
No,
them.
we're
Please?
not keeping garbage.
Nope.
Dang.
All right.
Forward
so
to
are
the
we posting these on
front.
Instagram since nobody uses them?
Yeah.
All right, I'll do it then. Okay.
Forward
I'm
to the
gonna
front.
take the live from TikTok and
Okay.
put it on Instagram.
Okay. So
You didn't do it right.
I did.
You're supposed to
probably
put forward to the front.
Yeah, whatever. That guy.
All right.
I have no idea who that guy
Metal
is.
energy.
It's hard rock energy. Rotom. Modem. Cramorant. Towel. Spinnerack. Snom. Grookey. Eevee. That guy. And
Morpeko.
Shiny Cramorant.
Another Cramorant? You can cram that up your rant.
Okay. I'll move those to the side.
I paused the camera.
Okay. So am I going to do half of the cards on my Instagram and half of yours?
Organize this right.
Alright, Belle, your turn. Show the pack.
Okay. So we have a Charizard
Shouldn't we
in
be
a foil
getting
like
this on camera
package.
Huh?
too? Shouldn't we be getting this on camera too?
Getting what?
This.
We have
Okay.
this pack, which we're going to be opening in just a second.
This pack?
The
Okay.
Charizard foil kind of pack.
Wait.
Do you want a chair?
Nah.
Okay.
I'll ask for one if I
Just
can.
place it down.
Okay, so we have this pack right here.
Place it down. Yo, what's up with your nail?
The nice thing about recording it on camera is I can edit it.
Hey, this camera looks better than it does in real life.
Yeah?
Look, seriously. Your official friend joined.
Oh, hello. Welcome to the live.
Okay.
Juana,
One,
Hello.
2, 3, 4. Did I correct 4? Yeah.
Juana Lopez sent you likes.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, so we have a Psychic Energy, Luxio, Ball Guy,
Ball guy.
Tropius, Trampinch, Snom, Grookey, Spinnerack, Shinx, Indeedee,
You didn't do it right.
Indeedee.
Indeedee,
Zarudi.
Zarude,
Look, Dad, it's Darude.
Zarude.
Sandstorm.
Hey, you've got people joining. Juana Lopez sent cat emoji.
Okay.
Where's oh,
Okay. So Dad.
there's the rare one in here. Did you guys check that out?
No, I didn't.
Ooh.
I can't.
And that's mine.
We
No,
can't.
it's mine.
I
It
didn't-
goes in my collection.
All right.
Michael Afton says hello.
Hello, Michael Afton.
Hey, Michael Afton. Be careful with the family. All right. This is the rare one here. This is the EV VMAX that we got in the pack. All right. So I got it for the YouTube.
It looks like a dumpling.
Show the die. I like the color.
These
on
the
them.
dye.
Looks like it's
Use the die.
because it's basically an eBay package.
Wait, so is dye
Ooh,
singular?
here are the dice. Here are the dividers. They're EV, so I don't even want to use them.
Ameliorating myself says I farted.
We all fart.
Yes.
And that's the sleeve.
Justin says more emojis.
More emojis.
Monkeys.
More monkeys.
Dumpling.
All right.
Okay.
Let me
right.
open the next pack.
Yeah,
I'll hold it.
Padre's turn.
Okay.
Justin followed you.
Thanks for the follow, Justin.
So which pack do you want to open?
Charizard.
Charizard?
It
Pick
has
a
to be
pack.
Charizard.
Charizard.
All right. You got to record. You got to hit record. Nope,
Oh,
right here.
right.
The red button.
There you go.
Is it recording?
Yep, it's recording.
All right.
I think it's recording.
So here's Charizard, Shining Fates. I'm hoping for the Rainbow Rare, or just.
You're not
I-
gonna.
yeah.
You know me, I collect Charizards.
You're not gonna get it now that you said that.
Yeah, you're jinxing the
Here's
cards.
the code for anybody who would like it.
You're jinxing the cards, so you won't get a Charizard.
Michael Afton says, "Let me guess, a hypno."
That would be funny.
Okay.
All right, Leaf Energy. Why don't you turn it so that it's the same as the camera? All right.
Leaf.
Rusted Sword with Zacian in the back.
It's Chi-Chi.
I'm keeping that trainer.
Dartrix. Ball Guy. Is that the second Ball Guy?
That's the
Yeah,
second
that's the second ball guy.
Cockney?
Connecticut.
Choodle. Don Choodle.
Now they're getting a jinx.
Eevee.
Yeah, they jinx it.
Nickit.
Good job,
Horsey.
Michael Afton.
Horsey.
Coughing. And
Selby.
Selby.
All right, my turn.
Man.
Bella, you gonna hold it?
Yeah, I'll hold it.
No Muse or Charizard.
All right, who am I opening?
Let's move Eevee out
Dad,
of
who
the
am I
way.
opening?
How about you open up one of these? Because we
There's
haven't
not-
opened up one of these yet.
Okay. Remember, you actually get it.
Michael Afton, thank you for the likes.
Ow.
You good?
I feel emotionally hurt. No, I'm kidding.
Here is the what
Actually
is
get
this, the
it.
fourth pack.
Michael Afton just
Yeah.
said YOLO.
YOLO.
I'm just gonna stop
Hello,
it.
Mary.
I don't want people seeing my
Dimmer
room. I'm just gonna shuffle them at this point.
All right, so we got Fire Energy.
Rusted
Rusted
sword.
Rusted Sword.
That's our second rusted sword.
Ooh,
Thwack.
Luxio.
We already got him. Yanma.
Luxio
I hate him.
is one of my mains
More
in
Pico.
Pokemon Arceus. Don't do that to the
Flower.
cards.
What?
Just flopping them
Coughing.
on the ground.
Cacnea.
Yanks.
Shiny Grookey. And,
Michael
we got
Afton
two
just said
shinies.
Yanks.
Nice.
We have those. The backgrounds are shiny.
Okay,
All right.
I'm gonna open up.
So the law of averages means that
Yanks.
hopefully the next few packs are going to be big hitters.
I'm gonna open up this.
We need to get at
now.
least one VMAX.
I'm opening up this package in just a second.
Okay. Hey, place it under.
Right here. Hopefully this one we get a VMAX in it.
Well, put it at the same direction as the cards, like this. There you go.
Okay.
Do you need help there?
I got it.
Lock 'em. All right.
Imagine a Trapinch.
Okay. We have a Dark Energy, Team Yell Towel, Flacky, Torpius, Morpico,
Team Stink Towel.
Team Yell,
Don't yell.
Technina,
Don Choodle.
Choodle,
Q Fart.
Q4,
Yeah.
Buzel, Cinderace
Yes!
V.
Cinderace V. Yes.
Amazing. Okay.
Woohoo!
I'm keeping that.
All right,
one.
my turn. Belle.
Oh, cover up the camera by
All right.
accident.
So
Where's the
these
garbage
two
underwear?
are mine, and these two are Dad's, right?
Nice V.
Yeah,
Thank
I'll-
you.
I'll do the next one.
Here's the
Okay.
total for anyone that wants it.
Stop it.
Who's
We already
gonna-
used
who's
that
gonna record
one.
with this?
Belle, stop.
What?
Michael Afton says, "Nice V."
Thank you.
Okay.
All right.
What?
All right, so freebie for anybody out there.
The freebie hee hee.
All right, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Fist of the North Star. Rusted Shield with Zamazenta. Rotom.
Double V that.
Floatzel. Horseshoe. Your Mom. Morphicos. Coffee Kingston. Gossy Flower. Jinx. Your Boss.
Alright, you hold.
I think it's funnier when we just make up names.
Yes, you hold.
Alright, I'll take that camera. Belle can do the TikTok camera.
Okay.
Wait, we only have
Hey,
one more.
don't. We have 3.
Oh,
You
Don't.
didn't hit record.
Hey,
I did.
Okay.
stop getting in my room.
I'm not.
Keep it hovered
Yeah,
above.
just keep it right there.
Keep it hovered above. And get your knee out of the camera.
Oh my gosh. I was like.
Which one should I open, Dad?
Double V bet. Michael Laffin just said double V
do
bet.
the Corviknight.
They said that a while ago.
Wait,
Stop.
Do the Corviknight.
Keep it there. Move it up. Because my hand's not even in the frame.
What the hell? Try not to see what they are.
I'm going to do that intentionally. How many cards are in a pack again?
I think it's 10. 10 plus the freebie code.
Yeah.
Don't bend them.
I'm bending the freebie code.
Oh.
Cool your tits.
All right, freebie code.
Okay.
Freebie code.
Shuffle time.
Oh my gosh.
So she's doing it all wrong, but okay.
Stop it.
I'm not.
You're showing my bed.
All right.
Okay. Modem.
Rotom.
Monkus. Shield. Booty hole. Catman. Yenma balls. Trap
This
inch.
is Tom Edelstein.
Weezer. Energy. Weezer.
Okay. You
It's
take
shot-
this.
That's
It's
a pretty cool wheezing.
It's a Weezer.
Wheezing.
Which pack should I open?
Save the save the last one for Dad.
Which
Here,
pack?
I'll open a pack right now.
Wait,
I'm gonna do Corviknight.
Corvinivus.
Okay.
Oh, can you hand me all the scan cards, Dad? The skinniness. There's a ton underneath the garbage, by the way. Intermission. Maria, aka Mia, sent you likes.
Thank you. Yeah.
Gracia.
Oh, I don't know where the other one
That's
was.
fine. Okay.
Okay.
I gotta fix this. You gotta stop throwing them down.
Are
like that.
you?
Yeah, stop shuffling. I'm doing the right way.
Shush. Are you ready to rumble?
Rumble.
We need to play that music. Dun, 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 dun,
What's that even from?
dun, dun, dun,
Huh?
dun.
Are you ready to rumble?
What's that even from?
You know what? I'm gonna open Toxicity. So Toxicity.
No, let's rename that
You
school.
only gotta hit it once.
I'm recording
All
it.
right.
Okay.
All right. Here is the freebie code.
Gracias. Mr. Doodle joined.
That's what I want.
All right. Are you getting it?
Yes, I am.
Yes.
All right.
The
Water.
Waiter.
Gym Trainer.
Give me.
Rusted Shield. Cramorant. Snom. Morphicos. Cockney. Don Choodle.
Ew.
Spirit Snack. Yanma.
No, it's a snack that smells
And
bad.
Dreadnought.
It's a snack.
Another dud.
All right.
Wait.
We'll all open it.
No.
Yeah, we'll all open it.
This is a snack that smiles back. Goldfish. Hold.
Can I at least start? Like, can I like open it first?
Why do you care? This is the last pack.
Yeah.
Can you? Somebody hold this.
Hold on.
Oh my god.
Somebody hold that.
We're switching between like each card.
I need those for Instagram.
Purine 38 joined.
Why are you doing it that way?
It's Top Rosine. Oh, no, we're back. Okay.
Don Choodle. Snom. Rotom. Volcanion.
Ooh.
Oh, come on. That would have been so much better to see it surprise.
It was a surprise.
It's a rainbow splash,
Kyogre.
rainbow or unicorn vomit Kyogre. I think that was the rare of the pack.
Yeah.
You ruined it. I guarantee you it's a water energy. It's a water energy pack. Come on. All right, so it was kind of a dud pack.
Oh, hold on.
Oh, we got Q fart.
Another Q fart.
Oh, wait. I'm not done. I'm not finished.
Where did those come from? All right, Mr. Mime.
Smell it.
Nope.
Wait, smell it.
Did you leak perfume on it?
Yeah.
It smells
Then
fine.
don't get it on the new
It
packs.
smells fine to me.
I'm messing with you. I did.
Caterpie and more Ficos. All right, thanks everybody for watching. And hopefully we can do another. We can do another Elite Trainer packs in the future now that they're actually in stock again.
Yes.
Thank you so much for watching, and as always, don't forget to keep it over
64.
9,000.
64.